Welcome back to I Can Tell by the Moon Vintage. Today I'd like to show you some truly incredible recent arrivals to the shop that will be listed online this Friday. These are truly spectacular Austrian vintage folk cardigans in pure wool, beautifully embroidered as you can see. So if you love this kind of folk wear as much as I do, keep watching. The first piece I unboxed here is this incredible navy mutton sleeve cardigan, extensively embroidered throughout on front, back and sleeves. And the little detail of the heart-shaped metalwork buttons at the front is so cute. Piece number 2 is this incredible hand-knit grey folk cardigan, again with the traditional floral embroidery throughout, beautiful puff sleeves and decorative metalwork buttons. Next we come to what I like to call the Rolls-Royce of Austrian folk cardigans, the Astrifa brand. They have such incredible attention to detail and quality. This piece is so soft. It's 100% wool with wool mark and comes with these beautiful knit roses at the front, decorative metalwork buttons and beautiful puff sleeves. And what to say of this one? Another spectacular vintage Austrian cardigan, this time with incredible pendant knit cherries. Yes, I know, complete with leaves. It's incredible. The leaves are actually velvet. The attention to detail again is amazing. And this piece is also 100% wool with wool mark. And to finish up strong, here is the most classic of Austrian folk cardigans, the popcorn. This beauty is hand knit in pure wool. It's warm and cozy. It comes in a fitted style with this incredible extensive floral knitwork, as well as love these soft pastel colors against the cream base. It's another collectible gem. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this little preview of these incredible vintage Austrian folk cardigans. As you know, I love sourcing these as much as they're hard to find. So do keep an eye on the website because they do tend to come back throughout the winter months. These specific pieces you saw will be live on the website by themoonvintage.com from 7 o'clock this Friday. So yeah, the link is also in the description box below. Thank you so much again for watching and catch you again soon for some more beautiful vintage gems.